Today, I'll demonstrate a brand new way to get money where you may make $7 every 60 seconds by only watching videos. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Consequently, I'd like you to visit this website first. By the way, the domain name for this site is zoombucks.com. This website is trustworthy, safe, and totally free. As you can see, all it takes to get money is to fill out surveys, view movies and TV episodes, and take offers. However, since viewing videos is something you already do every day and offers the highest return on investment with the least amount of work, we will focus on it for the purposes of this video. Therefore, select the TV watching option. Now, let me walk you through how this website operates. The first step is to register for a free account on this website, as was already indicated. Visit the homepage, fill up your email address and password, and then click Join Up Now to complete the process. For a simpler sign-up process, you might alternatively use your Facebook or Google account. You can now check how much money you can generate on our website after logging into your account. You may see that individuals have made somewhere from $200 and $500. You might be the next. All of these people have jobs that pay them to watch videos, respond to surveys, or take on offers. The best part is that there are many films available here, and they all reset each day, so there is a never-ending possibility for you to make money by only watching videos. Click Watch on the left-hand side to begin. These boxes bearing the names Hideout TV and Lootably will then appear. Additionally, you can view the details of their offers by moving your mouse over them. Choose Lootably by clicking the Start button after that. The video category can then be chosen on this page after you have been transferred there. You have the choice of selecting from the cuisine, DIY, or random video categories. You can see how many points you can gain for each category on the right-hand side. I will be directed to this page if, for instance, I choose food. To continue, you must create a free account, as you can see right here. Simply click Sign Up after entering your email address and password. You'll be sent to this website after creating a Lootably account, where you can view all of the food-related videos. You can view as many videos as you like on this website. Now, for instance, if I click this one, I'll be directed to another page where I must view the movie for at least 60 seconds in order to be paid. You can view as many videos on various tabs at once, which is an added advice on how to increase your income. You'll be able to view a lot of videos while completing other tasks in this manner. As a result, you'll be able to make the most money with the least amount of work. By selecting each of these videos on the right side, you can view further videos. Reduce the video quality by selecting the video options, which is another additional suggestion I offer. Please set it to the lowest video quality setting you can to conserve data. You can watch as many 60-second films as you like and make as much money as you want as a result. This extra advice is quite useful, and you can use it right now to increase your earnings on this website by a factor of 2, 3, or even 4 in a single day. That's it for today. Hit the like button if you found the video informative.